Import your trades. In about 4 minutes, you'll have a full year of trade history inside TradeOnyx. Duplicates detected, timestamps aligned, ready to analyze. Click the Import entry in the top menu. This section is the entry point for every trade you made before you started journaling here. Choose your broker from the list. Presets are ready for MetaTrader, Interactive Brokers, Scalable Capital, Deguro, Comdirect, Flatex, and ING DIBA. The preset auto-detects which columns in your file carry which meaning. The time zone is the most important setting in the whole flow. A wrong time zone, and a Friday evening trade slips into Saturday. Green Mondays turn into red Sundays. TradeOnyx therefore stores all times uniformly worldwide. You only state once which zone your broker exports the data in. If you run several accounts, pick the one the trades should land in. Data is kept separate per account. Your analytics stay clean even when you trade with multiple brokers. Drop your spreadsheet into the large field or pick it with a click. TradeOnyx accepts Excel spreadsheets and CSV files. Columns are mapped automatically, and any trades already on file are detected immediately. Before uploading, make sure the date format matches your broker export. For ambiguous days like 01/02/2026, this setting decides whether the entry is read as 1st February or 2nd January. A wrong value can shift your whole history by months. Once the import finishes, the trades show up immediately in the calendar, the overview, and the trades list. A flat spreadsheet becomes a searchable history in 30 seconds. Ready for your first pattern findings from the Onyx engine. Try it yourself. Sign up for free at TradeOnyx.io. Upload your broker file and discover the first patterns in your trade history in less than 5 minutes.